I'm going to be heading downtown and working downtown the rest of the day at the Stark Garden. And then I should be back around 5 o'clock and we'll have dinner at home. Yeah, I'm at the bank. Just want to make a deposit before I go downtown. So. I'm here to get my back checked, but look who's here. Look at this. Dr. Nick.
Hey, how's it going?
How's it going? Okay, just saw Dr. Nick. Oh my goodness. My back is getting worse, I think. Woo! I think I need to be working on a standing desk or something like that for a while. We'll see how that goes.